In this tutorial, learn how to attach a file to one of your messages so an agent can process it. We will take, for example, an image with an error message from Outlook that we want one of the agents to analyze. Let's invoke the Image Analyzer agent. Type your question. Here we will ask the agent to analyze the image to get more clues about the Outlook error message. Next, let's attach the image to our message by clicking the Attach Files icon. Select the image and click Open to attach the file. The attached files are displayed at the top of the chat box. You can remove an attached file from the message by clicking the cross on the right of the file. Finally, click Send to send the message with the attached file to the agent. Let's wait for the agent to analyze the image and generate its answer. Here is the analysis provided by the agent.